Hello everybody! Today we are going to be making chocolate chip cookies. This is a nice easy recipe. You can make it pretty quick, doesn't need that many ingredients. So let's get started. First thing you are going to need is a bag of chocolate chips. This one is about 10 ounces, which is just about the perfect amount. Doesn't matter what brand you get, really up to you. So that's step one. Next, you're going to need flour. Again, the brand name is up to you. As I'll just say now, that applies to all the ingredients. This is not a sponsored video, so the brands don't matter. You'll need flour. It doesn't have to even be white flour. It can be brownish flour, as long as it's, I think it should be made of wheat. You're gonna need baking soda, not baking powder. You're gonna need butter. You need sugar, white sugar, but also brown sugar, because we don't discriminate. Happy Black History Month. You're gonna need vanilla extract. And finally, egg. So if you look at the back of your bag of chocolate chips, again, it depends on the brand you got, but on the back of it, there will be a recipe. And this recipe has instructions for what to do with your ingredients. It tells you how to mix them together, what temperature to set your oven to, and you're going to want to follow these instructions exactly, except for maybe adding a little bit of extra vanilla, but mostly follow them exactly. And let's check back in once we've done that. Okay everybody, so once you've followed all those steps, watch, this is the best part. Get your oven mitts and take your cookies out of the oven, and look at that. They didn't turn out quite, they sort of bled together. Maybe I put too much or too little of some ingredient. Now this bit, they blended together even more, and I think they're undercooked as well, but I'll just put them in some more. The moral of this recipe is, you know, it's sort of a forgiving recipe, so it's okay if you mess up some of the ingredients. It will pretty much turn out tasty, no matter how it looks. So hope you guys followed along at home. Hope you have some nice cookies. Suggested serving. Oh, I suggest you serve it with milk. That's all. Thanks for watching.